Here are three money mistakes I wish I knew when I was in my teenage years before conscious ko kayo sa pag-save. And where every day I was literally saving 50, 20 peso bill, 100 peso bill. Unfortunately, I was not conscious sa akong spending habits in where I was able to spend up to 700 pesos to 1,000 pesos per day. Imagine the comparison lang, the ratio from the saving na ako na money sa akong spend na money, ilang ratio ba? Dili sila mag-balance, you know what I mean? So, ang natabo, I was able to spend on unnecessary things na dili aligned sa akong goals, which would lead us to the second part. So before also, I was buying to impress instead of buying to progress on things. In where before I was buying Dota 2 skins just to impress my friends, syempre my brothers na, oy, I was able to get this skin already. In fact, it was so impractical. Okay, imagine I was barely living sa akong money. Gamay ra kaayo tapos ibutang pa na ako siya sa Dota 2 skins na dili makaon, dili mainom, 'di ba? So, it was really bad mistake. Kay it's okay to buy Dota 2 skins as long as it's an extra money na nimo. You're trying to enjoy it na, 'di ba? Instead of buying it for the sake of impressing the people around you even though wala na kay kwarta. So, yeah. And for number three, the third money mistake is that I was able to invest more on quantity over quality. Kay usually before, there's the story. My mom was giving me 1,500 pesos sa province, Calbayog, to buy a specific shoe, a quality na shoe. So ako dire, kuan ko kanang maro ba? Akong buhaton, mobile ko 300 peso worth na shoe to 400. Tapos, ang remaining, iduwa na ako Dota. Unfortunately, that was a bad idea. Kay, the shoe would last only 2 to 3 months. Kay maguba diretso. And din ako makapangayo So, I was able to experience bad experiences. Sakit sa akong tiil and other stuffs because of buying cheaper or less quality na mga things. And compared to buying mga quality things or quality na shoes, could have lasted 2 to 3 years. Di ba?